And first at 5 tomorrow, all eyes will be on Austin as Attorney General Ken Paxton's impeachment trial begins. In Texas state history, only 2 elected officials have been impeached.
So in 1917, it was former Governor James Ferguson, and then it was former Judge O.P. Carrillo back in 1975. Our Erica Hernandez explains what we're going to see at the Capitol tomorrow.
The rules are set, pretrial motions looked over, and nearly 4,000 pages of evidence have been published. Both sides are ready for trial. Ken Paxton was impeached by the Texas House of Representatives in May on 20 articles, including constitutional bribery and obstruction of justice.
We should expect the unexpected.
St. Mary's law professor Michael Arian spoke to us that this won't be like a typical trial.
Even though the rules that the Senate passed with regard to how to conduct the impeachment are very legalistic, very law-like, an impeachment trial is a political event more than a legal event.
A key part of Paxton's impeachment trial that will be different is there isn't an actual judge presiding. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick, who doesn't have a law degree, will be overseeing the trial.
The lieutenant governor is not a lawyer, and he will be making initial decisions with regard to whether to admit or exclude evidence that can be overridden by the Senate. And it certainly places the lieutenant governor in a very interesting position. He, I think, doesn't want to be perceived as biased for one side or the other.
As for the rules, here are some of the main ones. Paxton's wife, Senator Angela Paxton, can attend, but she will not participate in deliberations or closed sessions. House impeachment managers will present evidence first. Each article of impeachment will be voted on separately by senators. If an article is accepted by 2/3 of the senators, it will be entered as a conviction. If there is an article that is entered as a conviction, a vote could take place to remove Paxton from office.
I think that the House has excellent lawyers, and the Attorney General, Ken Paxton, also has excellent lawyers, and they will be very cognizant of when they want to act in a legal or law-like fashion and when they want to make or score political points.
Again, that trial gets underway on September 5th in KSAT 12. We will be there as testimony gets underway. In Austin, Erica Hernandez, KSAT 12 News.
Keep up to date with all of San Antonio's top news, weather, and so much more by clicking the like and subscribe buttons below. And once again, thanks for watching KSAT.